Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, grade 4 student. Alhamdulillahirrabbilalamin. Today we are meet again in this kind of beautiful day with me, Miss Vania. Now, before we're entering to our lesson today, I would like to share you a story. Okay? Well, actually, it's not about story. I just want to share something with you. Before I came to this place, I saw there are 10 cars around the building. And then I just wondering how many tires there are. So can you help me to solve this one? Well, actually, I know how can I count the tires around the building from the cars. Well, because I know there are 10 cars around the building, and then I know that one cars have 4 tires, so I just do it by multiplication. So I put 10 because there are 10 cars, and then multiple by 4 since one car have 4 tires. So how many is it? Yes, it will be 40 tires around the building itself from the cars. So that is how we do for multiplication in our daily life. Well, actually multiplication is very helpful, right, for in our daily life. So for today we are going to learn about multiplication. So this one is the title, multiplying a 2-digit number by a single digit. Alright, so this one is our learning objective. Hopefully, after you finish watching this video, learners recognize that there are many methods for doing multiplication. Multiply a 2-digit number by a single digit. Alright, now I have a question for you to be solved, okay? When I have this equation, can you solve this? I have 27 times 4. Can you count it for me? So what is the product from this equation? Alright, maybe some of you will do something like this. You can do it by repeated repeated addition. So because we know that 27 times 4, it means that you need to add 27 plus 27 plus 27 plus 27 as many as 4 times, right? So maybe you can do something like this. Each jump is plus 27 since we know that this one, 27. And then from 0 plus 27, it will be 27, of course. Each jump, because we add another 27, it will be increased, right, the number. It will become 54. And then after that, because we just have like 2 jump, we have like another jump. We have jump one time again, and then we plus 27 here, and the result will be 81 here. And another jump here, 27 again, and the result will be here. So this one is our result. As our result. So when I have this calculation, 27 times 4, so the result will be like this. This is one method that you can use, which is repeated addition. Alright, here, sorry, I will erase this one first. Well, another method that you can do is this one. Maybe you can also do something like this, doubling and doubling again. As we already learned before in the previous meeting, we learned about doubles, isn't it? So we know that double from 27 is 54. Then after that, double from 54 is 108. So the answer is 108 for this question. Alright, that is the second method that you can use for multiplication to solve the problem that I already shared to you before. And this is the another method that you maybe can use to solve the problem. Here, as we already learned about partitioning, so we just do partition first the number here, because we know that 27 means that we have 2 in the tens and 7 in the unit, and then it will be multiplied by 4. So we partition it first, 20 multiplied by 4, and then plus 7 multiplied by 4. So the answer will be, based on this one, we have 20 multiplied by 4, so the answer will be 80, isn't it? 80. And then after that, we know that 7 multiplied by 4, it will be 28. 28. So we put it together, to these two number, I mean these two product, become one, it will be this one, 108. This is how you do for partitioning, and then you multiply it. All right. Okay. For another things that you can do is using an array, but it's not really recommended for you since we have a large of number, isn't it? When we have like 27 multiplied by 4, then you need to make something like this for 27 in the row and then 4 in the column. It's gonna be so exhausting when we do it for an array. So this method, we can use it for the simply multiplication. For example here, 4 multiplied by 4. So we can just 3, well actually it's 3, sorry, 3 multiplied by 3. We can just using an array, but then for the larger number, it's not recommended for you. Now, another things that we can do is using grid method. Well, it's recommended for you when you do larger number multiplication, which is 2-digit number. You can do something like this. How can we do it like this? First, you make make a square like this, which is have 3 in the row and then 2 in the column. And here, this sign is for multiple, as you know, right? And then we put 20 here because we separate it between 10 and unit. 20 here, and then 7 here. And then after that, 20 multiplied by 4, it will be 80. And then 7 multiplied by 4, it will be 29. So we put it together, both of this product. By adding this number, it will become like this. It will become 108. That is how we do for using grid method. All right. Hopefully, it's helpful for you. This kind of method. So we already discussed about 5 methods that we can use for multiply 2-digit number with a single-digit number. Sorry. All right. Maybe that's all for our explanation, our discussion today via video. Later, maybe if you have another question to be asked to me or to discuss with your friends, let me know if you still have a question. Maybe later you can ask via Zoom meeting. All right. Thank you so much for your attention. Hopefully this video will help you to more understand about multiplication. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.